Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... So here we are at the bottom of Spion Kop. Now I'm going to start this one at the lake. We're going way up there. You can't even see it. And you won't for a long time. So this one is pretty rough. It's going to be bigger than I've ever done on this trail. Normally we've started up about halfway up, and we have done this lower section before too, to one of the lookouts. I'm going to try to hit that lookout, bring you guys up to the secondary lookout, and then finally to the peak. I'm probably not going to be moving too fast. So my truck's been down. I've got some parts for it, but in the meantime I've been carrying my groceries home. 57 pounds on Thursday, 55 pounds worth on Friday, over a kilometer's distance. So I'm hurting pretty bad. I had a pretty good regime to kind of help me recover. If you can see here, there's snow on top of that peak yet, and that's a pretty shallow peak. I think the peak I'm doing might be a bit taller than that. Anyway. So I'm pretty much a hurting unit. I did some pretty good pain mitigating things yesterday. A hot, deep soak with a quick cold water splash, and then rub some painkillers into my muscle relaxants into my muscles. So, you know, you would think I would do the safe and responsible thing and do something nice and easy. But no, I'm going to do a big hike that I'm pretty sure I'm packing way too much water for, and other stuff. So, yeah, okay. This is probably going to hurt me at the end. We'll see what happens, but I'll catch you out there. For perspective, we're right here right now. I want to be taking this guy up. Now, I think we can come across here and up and under the highway and get to here. I think that would be a good start. I want to come up to here to the north overlook. We've been here before. It's not quite super spectacular. It's alright, I guess. Come through back, down along here. Now this will be another lookout. This will be quite a spectacular lookout. You're gonna like that one. Oh no, it's right here. That's the really good lookout here. So while I'm up here, I'm gonna have to come up to the top, and then I'll have to come back around and take you guys down to this lookout, and then come back through here, down here, and maybe back this way. I don't know yet. That seems a little ridiculous, but I think I'll figure it out. Yeah, that big, ugly, like, yellow. Is there no gapper from here to there? Well, because normally we're up North Star here. We park here and we come up through here and come back around here. So that's going to be at least double, maybe even possibly triple what we've normally done. And again, from here we've come up to here and done this big loop there. But we shall see. But I do want to hit both overlooks and the summit itself. Disaster in the making. Okay. Let's do it to it. Spring runoff. Look how beautiful that rock is. If you pack it in, pack it out. We're up here kind of at the first intersection. You can see over here, this dude's got his private parts out here. Not too far up from that intersection. We've got another little tiny view here. And look at all these buttercups. Just nuts. Alright, let's do it to it. Okay, so I think you can see the tower there. I believe that's what I'm getting to. It really feels small and short from here. But here you can see the squall coming through. That rained on us a little bit. We parked it for a minute and waited out the weather. And then over here, it's blue and incredible. What I'm hoping for is maybe some of this weather pattern will stay around while I'm up there. And I can show you on almost 360 how the weather just literally changes from spot to spot in this region. Yeah, no trepanning? No trepanning? Trepanning's bad, guys. You shouldn't do trepanning. Let me ask you all a question. Do you like dirty pictures? So I was going through here just fine, and most of this mud is hard, but I definitely found a little bit of muskegee bit. So I sunk right on in the inside. I'm gonna take this cheater route here for like reasons, but yeah, this is grueling. I've still got stupidness to go up. Look at that. Whoop. Like what? Why? Jesus. Hopefully that tree will bear fruit. And that fruit will be my survival. Wouldn't that be a nice fruit? A fruity survival? Oh. Well, if I have a heart attack, you guys know where to find me. I wanted to make sure that I got the hail coming down, because I don't know if it's easy to tell that that's what that is, but I'm going to stop here. I'm going to have a break, relax, enjoy my time. I'm officially at the north overlook. It is actually not as bad as I remembered. I think it's still kind of like it's a nice view, but you're gonna have a different view up at the top and at the grand overlook. There's a reason why they call it the grand overlook over there. I don't know if you can see the cell phone tower on top of that guy. I get the feeling that that could very well be Repeater Tower in Oyama, part of the High Rim Trail. You hike through there, you park it up there, and you take a look at the view from up there. It is really nice. It will be on part of the Peaks Challenge, I'm sure. The monolith is in there, so we might do a monolith run to check out the big rock and then swing back up to do the Repeater Tower. If I don't end up doing that, you guys can yell at me later, but hey, at least I thought about it, right? And it's the thought that counts. It is always the thought that counts. That was in the groin. Oh my Lord. Another intersection here. But in terms of the Red Summit intersection, I believe it is like a four-way, because you can take Summit back down, and in fact I could have skipped this entire north end. Like, I did this for you guys, right? Like, this isn't for me, this is for you guys. Okay, yes, I know. I promised to ration video. I really was gonna do it. I had plans on it, but there's just too much interesting stuff going on here. Vertebrae. I'm coming up on a crazy viewpoint. I thought this woodsy wood frame McFramerson here would make a little interesting viewpoint. Look at that though. Just get in on those textures. Just wrap the old peekaboos right around that. Okay, what have we got down here? So, a nice little framed image. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Okay, well, I am almost at this little viewpoint. Let's just throw them little glass balls around that and then carry on our way. And now, I don't know if these two hook up. They kind of look like they do, but I mean viewpoints, right? viewpoint. You guys all wanted the viewpoint. Look at it from the other side. Okay. I'm gonna record a little bit here. Just because this is pretty darn magical. Look at this old tree here, like just being all green and pretty and homes for all the things. At least at one point. I have just tremendous scenery all around me here. In terms of progress, here's where I started. Came up here, came along through here, all along up in here. Now somewhere in here I think I came out this way a bit, and then came up the connector, up some at here. I think I did a connector that might have taken me out here. From here, the north overlook, I came back down. I am now here. I just have to come this far here, so that's probably half a kilometer to there, which is probably another half a kilometer, because this whole tower trail from here to here is a full kilometer. However, I'm coming in at what appears to be almost 2/3 of the way there, so it's probably going to be a fair bit shorter than that, and this to here is not quite as long as that to there, so this to here might just be a solid kilometer. We have more of that rock, and it's a nice little up close example. You can see how it's kind of like really triangular here and all that. That's kind of what I'm talking about here. Now you can see the rocks on this side, the way it's all coming down. It is quite fascinating, and I'm sure if you're a geologist, this is probably not safe for work. All right, I'll catch you guys more towards the top. Yeah, there's the peak there. There's the tower. There's that rock I was talking to you about, where it makes all those crazy formations. Not really a way of describing it. I'm not sure the video does it a lot of justice. I'm going to sneak up to this rock here for a view towards the north. Oh. Look at just the texture on this stuff. Makes you feel like you're on a turtle shell. So yeah, up there and then bump over. I am literally there. There's a little detour down there. In the interest of extra content that you guys didn't ask me for, here you go. This will be the eastern side of the mountain. That little weird land bridge between the two lakes is right there. There's some good hiking along the lakes down there on the old CN rail bed. Maybe you'll see me doing that one day. We're getting up into the wind again. So you're probably hearing all the coming in over the wire. I wonder if that little bump over there is Sugarloaf Mountain. I almost feel like it should be somewhat in line with Terrace Mountain, which I think is this bump here. But that definitely looks like a sugar bump over there. Blue Grouse Mountain will be this little bump with the tower on top. Here we have the lake in all its glory. I'm going to sneak out a little further and get a little more of a roundabout view here. But yeah, don't toss your salad on these rocks, it'll hurt. Beautiful. Alright. Back to saving battery. Oh wait, is that could be Fintry down there. Huh. Are we really that far over? I guess maybe we are. And look at that canyon out there. Just on the other side of Terrace Mountain there. I just saw a bird fly by, but I'm pretty sure that was just a Maggie. Mr. Maggie Pies. Whoa. Okay. Coming up from that side. I am gonna hang it up and find a spot to relax a bit. Alright, let's do it tonight. Back here I am. Getting back to the Grand Overlook is 100% worth it. This is what I'm worried of. I could go through here. I could come here to get to that connector, or I could even come through here, kind of do new stuff, but I want to take you here, come back around, and down. So it's this section here that I'm worried about, and if I can, I might try to skip it, because if I can skip it, with some of these side trails, I would be saving kilometers.
Workout pause.
I'm now here. I've come from here to here. You remember how it would have been smart to come here to here, or to here, or something like that? Now I get to come all the way out here to come here. Now that I'm here, try to keep my eyes open for maybe a bypass there. However, I'm probably going to have to down this way, which I mean isn't bad. It's probably the same as that, and I'll be cutting that out at the end, so. Would I take that chance that it would hit to there? Maybe I should. Maybe I should just chintzy chance it. See if I can get off this thing a little bit quicker. Yeah, this was a pretty bad idea. I'm pretty sure this was a bad idea. I had to slide down this on my button section, and I thought you guys weren't going to get to see that, but it might be the fastest and kind of the safest way down here. Now when I say on my butt, I'm actually kind of kneeling, and I'm using my shoes to kind of guide the path down the trail. That gives me a little bit of a chance to kind of dig in if I have to. So it feels like it's a little bit safer, and then I just use my hands to hold myself up in somewhat of a crazy tripod formation. So, God, what am I doing? This was dumb. I could tell that it was gonna be a big drop. I don't want to devote a hand to using this guy and not having a hand to balance. I think now that I'm here, I might be able to sneak onto this bit, sneak over here. Bad news bears, man. Whew. Okay.
Workout pause.
Now, again, the nice thing is that it should cut kilometers off. But again, what does that mean if it takes me an extra couple hours to get down here? I can't see anything because I need both my hands, but at least I'm sure the sounds here we go. Oh, I can't sustain it. Oh. Wow. Now, my ticker went off to say I've officially done 10K. So, I think technically it was going to be a 16K day, but there you go, dirt surfing on Spion Kop. I think my dirt surfing days are done. Going to all trails, this little nectar should take me along the subdivision here, and then link me back up to the Raptor loop to go back down through the tunnel. I think I have to hit Summit first to do a short little shortcut. If I was at a connection sign, I would know that the end is getting this inside. It should be less than 500 meters to the tunnel from the next intersection, if memory serves, which it almost never does. Okay, well, what do I do about this? So there's this log right here that looks like an okay option. It is probably the shortest path along. It looks like people have come across those rocks right there. That does not look very stable. This looks very slippery. But being shorter, I wonder, that is totally slippery. I wonder if I can kind of yeet my right leg over there in a kind of a little jump without shifting my weight on this log too much. And I ended up a little bit shorter than I wanted to, but I think I actually survived it.